Using Control4 to automate your lighting is awesome. That is, if you have buttons on your dimmers, which I don't. Now, to order some, let's take a look at the Control4 Lighting Project Builder. Let's go. First things first, log in to the dealer portal. Click on Products, then Lighting, then Keycap Engravings. Once you're in the Control4 Lighting Project Builder, you'll see there are 3 ways to order engraved buttons. Create individual buttons, upload an XML engraving file from Composer Pro, or design and build a project. If you only need a few buttons, just create them individually. Click New Button to get started. You can select different styles, colors, and sizes. Here, you can type in the text you want. Plus, you can align it left, center, or right. You can also make the font large by clicking Large Text. Want icons? Use the drop-down list to select the one you want and its alignment. From there, just type in the number of buttons you want and then click Finish Editing. Repeat this process for each button you need. When you're done creating buttons, click Send to Cart. Using the new button option is great if you've only got a handful of buttons to order. It's really quick to customize and you can see everything that you're going to get. Well, mister, I have an engraving report from Composer Pro right here. Can't I use that? Of course you can. Check this out. Just click Upload XML, select the file, and the buttons in the report automatically get added to the cost preview. You can review and adjust each button's settings by selecting the device from the project hierarchy on the left. If you need, you can modify the name of the project, add notes, and enter the address. Be sure to click Save if you do. Click Preview Project Cost. Make sure everything is accurate. Then click Add Items to Cart. Using an engraving report from Composer Pro saves you a lot of time. Besides, you've already done all the work. Well, mister, I don't have access to Composer Pro. What do I do? Not an issue. It's not called the Control4 Lighting Project Builder for nothing. To start, click New Project. Start by selecting Shared or Private. Shared means all members in your organization can view and edit the project, while Private means it's only accessible through your account. Type in a name for the project, any notes, and the project address. Click Next. Click New Building. Type in a name for the building and any notes. Click Next. Click New Floor. Type in a name for the floor and any notes. Click Next. Click New Room. Type in a name for the room and any notes. Click Next. Click New Lighting Location. It's typically the wall box. Type in a name for the location and any notes. Click Next. Start by selecting the style, then use the size option to choose the number of devices that you'll install. Next, you can select the faceplate color and button color. To customize a button, click on the blank space where you'd like it to appear. Select the size you want, then click the new button to customize it. You customize a button here in the same fashion as a single button from earlier. You can type the text you want, align it as you see fit, and optionally increase the font size. Plus, you can use the icon drop-down lists to add any icons. Looking good! Click Save. Repeat this process until you've customized each button for each device. Use the drop-down list below each device to select the desired device model number. This adds the device to your project cost and bill of materials. In the cart checklist section, check the boxes next to the items you want to include in the cost preview list. Continue to add buildings, floors, rooms, lighting locations, devices, and buttons until you've added everything you need to the project. Designing a project this way is great for creating a bill of materials that you can then use for quoting and obviously ordering buttons. It's a good way to split up the work, too. Somebody could be at the physical location installing devices while you're kicking back in your office chair designing a bunch of buttons. But now that you're done, you've got to order them. So let's do it. After you've added all you need, click Preview Project Cost. No matter which avenue you took to get to this point, you'll have the option to print the project, which generates a PDF of everything included in the cart with associated MSRP and quantities. If everything looks good, click Add Items to Cart. A few final tips for you. Use the Control4 Lighting Project Builder as a way for quoting. You can see exactly what's being included and the associated cost. And of course, we know how often projects change over time, so it's an easy and convenient way to go back and make changes as you finalize things with your customer. Finally, building projects in the Control4 Lighting Project Builder creates a history where you can go back to previous projects, and you can even use one as a template for a new one. All right, 3 convenient ways to order custom engraved buttons using the Control4 Lighting Project Builder. I'm about to go use it so I can use this guy instead of just staring at it.